course, now he's not going to leave.
This is why we love the baby birds. Oh, there he goes. Too cute. Oh, down the hatch. Cute.
You are too funny. That might be it.
More? That was a big one.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
I think that's probably it.
This guy is very frustrating to feed because he's very good at spitting the worms out. Oh, got one. Good job, Carolyn.
Woo!
Yay. He's ready to get out of the brooder. He's a big baby. But he was one of 3 very sick babies when they came into us. So we're glad that he's thriving and begging and perching and doing well. Uh-oh, there's the dodge. All right, 2 down. Good job.